How to get back lost Snapchat streak. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Your camera will open up. Now navigate to the option of friends. With that, you will be directed to the page where you're gonna find the friend list. Now head over to any of the friend whose snap streak you wanna recover. If you find the option of recover at the side of the username, you can click on that and the snap streak will be recovered. In the case you don't find the option of recover, what you have to do is navigate to the profile page, click on the profile icon given at the top left corner. Once you're in this page, click on the option of Snapchat Plus. Upgrading to Snapchat Plus, you're gonna get these features. Over here, you'll also find the feature to Snap Streak Restore. After you upgrade to Snapchat Plus, you will be able to restore Snapchat streak with anyone anytime. So this is how you can easily get back lost Snapchat streak. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.